He's reaching out with no one to hold. You've been abandoned with no place to go. Wounded and wanting such desperate times. Cold, bitter tears are filling your eyes. Get a glimpse of Jesus, for He is right there with you. He knows just what you need. 'Cause when life gets broken, when you're in despair, He'll carry your burden when it's too much to bear. It's down in the valley where He'll give you strength. And there is nothing you have lost that He can't replace. He'll help you start all over again when life gets broken. You hoped God would heal it, but the storm raged and raged. Now it's hard to imagine how you'll make it through the day. Weeks turns to years, time's passing you by.
Ay, pani.
Saan po tayo mag-usap?
So get a glimpse of Jesus.
Yan, papagandang ante, baka may bibisitang binata. Makababalik yung nurse kahapon, type ka daw, liligawan ka daw.
When you're in despair,
Hello, apple muna siya. Dapat daw kain muna daw ng fruits bago daw yung ano.
down in the valley where He'll give you strength.
Doktor, yun na last na, ano niya yun sa lahat ng mananarong ay pinanalangin na. Pinasalamatan ko at ang nakikita ko yung Panginoon. Ikaw na kung ako may bawian niya, i-surrender ko ang aking sarili sa Kanya.
Waters heal our troubled soul. Heal our troubled soul. Jesus, sweet Jesus, Lord, cleanse and make us whole.
Grabe oh, sabi ko, maglalaba ako, sabay na siya oh. Oh, grabe, dami oh. Oh, iba pa yun nasa loob oh. Oh, sabi ko, ako na magsasabon, siya na magbabalon, nilabas lahat nung labahin par.
He'll give you strength. There is nothing you have lost that He can't replace. He'll help you start all over again. He'll help you start all over again. He'll help you start all over again when life gets broken.
Tangina mo,
Bad yun, bad. Bad.
Bawal di ba?
Hindi. Bawal nga magsalita ng gano'n. Bad. Bad. Yung expression, I love you.
Baboy, gago pa. Daling ko dito para may almusal kayo.
Ikaw nakakain ng ham. Ham is
Ikaw.
also baboy. Ay, lalo na ako. Kahit isda, kahit karne, hindi ako kakain. Gulay ang dalhin mo dito.
Ham nga. Ay, hindi nga. Ay, mas ko iham eh.
Ay, hindi kami. Tama na sa amin yung kalbo sa kamote.
Ano ba yan?
Papaya. Tama sa amin yung puso ng saging.
Ham nga. Mayroon tatlong ham doon. Titipak-tipak na yun. Dadaling ko dito bus ng
Kasi
mga.
ay siya agad.
Chilling. Baby, yan. Hindi pagkalandot nga sa amin.
He is right there with you. He knows just what you need.
Heart, heart. Ganun. Ganun, heart. May, dali na. Heart nga, love. God is love. Heart.
It's down in the valley where He'll give you strength. And there is nothing you have lost that He can't replace. He'll help you start all over again when life gets broken.
1,000 niya, oh. Ang dami ang pera, ah.
Stop niyo lang, mami.
Ipopost nyo lang, may. Ipopost nyo lang. Sayang, sayang. Sayang, sayang.
Tula. Tula.
Now it's hard to imagine.
Hoy! May 1 million na si CJ.
Anong gagawin? Picturean.
Picturean nyo, may. Tapos isend nyo sa DSWD.
To the house and the wise, to get a glimpse of Jesus, for He is right there with you. He knows just what you need. 'Cause when life gets broken, when you're in despair,
Hello! Happy birthday! Love you! Wow, 7 ka na. Wow! Binata na yan ah. Binata ka pa lang pala. Kala ko 10.
lost that He can't replace. He'll help you start all over again.
Nakatulong kasi ibang pamilya.
Funny.
Eh pag ba ikaw yung anak mo na kailangan, tutulong ba yung pamilya kayong tinutulungan mo?
Look at this mosaic. Kunyari, nag-ayos-ayos gamit. Jesus lang yan.
Sweet Jesus, Lord, cleanse and make us whole.
Oh.
Mami, kailangan ko sa cooker ko. Ngayon ang luto namin.
Ay, saan nga nakalagay?
It's down in the valley where He'll give you strength. There is nothing you have lost that He can't replace.
Lang ang kaakay, magsasansala, lahat ng bagay na hindi ako sa pagkakas. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, binigyan ako ng buhay. Bakit? May chance pa uli ako na tumawag sa Panginoon at pasalamatan. Bakit? Ano ang panukala ng Panginoon sa bawat isa sa atin kung binibigyan tayo ng buhay sa baga? Ipinagbibili natin ang ating sarili sa Panginoon. Ano ang ating tungkulin ang bawat isa? Ano po yun? Kailangan alam po natin. Hilingin din po natin sa Panginoon.